Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, looking at mostly clear skies out there this morning with some chilly temperatures once again. We will see another day ahead of below average temperatures, but plenty of sun and quiet conditions with no precipitation or lightning expected. And we'll see a return of some mild temperatures as well as a chance of precip moving into the area as we get into the day tomorrow and we get back to those milder and slightly above average temperatures. We take a look at the current surface analysis, high pressure and control, keeping things quiet for today. We'll see that drifting off to the east as this boundary approaches the area moving into tomorrow morning. It's going to bring that southwesterly flow with some mild temperatures, and additionally going to see a chance for some showers, mainly as we get into the afternoon tomorrow, with much of the shower activity staying north through the morning time frame. Current conditions this morning, just a few clouds at 25,000 feet, but very few, mainly clear skies. We'll see winds out of the north at 6 knots. Temperature 41 degrees, relative humidity is at 57%. Current visible satellite shows those clear skies prevailing across the region and expecting that to continue as we move through the day today. We'll take a look at the high resolution model for how that's expected to play out. As mentioned, dry weather, quiet weather, slightly below average temperatures with highs in the 50s. And those winds staying pretty light with clear skies as we move through the day today. Going into the evening time frame, mainly after the 6 p.m. time frame, we will have a chance of some mid-level and then eventually upper-level clouds moving into the areas that boundary starts to approach. We'll see that shower activity, fairly light and minimal shower activity along that boundary staying to our north through the morning hours. And then continued cloud cover building, and we'll pick up that southwesterly breeze, becoming breezy through the morning hours of tomorrow and mostly cloudy, but we will have that milder air moving into the area. And getting into the afternoon, we'll see a chance for some scattered showers pushing through the local region. This model quite widely scattered, but other models indicating a bit more coverage here. And overall, just expecting rain showers with a very slight chance of seeing an isolated thunderstorm with this activity. So generally just mainly rain as we move through the afternoon. We'll see that coming to an end, moving into the evening time frame and slowly seeing those skies clearing out. But we'll stay mild as we move into the day on Thursday. Do have a chance for some patchy fog and low clouds during the morning hours on Thursday. But again, we'll see that clearing out, becoming mostly sunny and then eventually partly cloudy as we get later in the day, and another dry weather day with those milder temperatures back into the area for our Thursday. So the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we're looking at green conditions over the next 24 hours. We're seeing high temperature around 57 degrees this afternoon. We'll see generally light winds out of the north through the day today with a more southerly wind picking up as we get into the later portion of the afternoon. And we'll see that wind gradually picking up as we move through the next 24 hours into the morning hours, eventually reaching around 9 to 14 knots. Some peak gusts up around 19 to 21 knots for the morning hours tomorrow, but just below wind advisory criteria. As mentioned, we'll see clear skies through the day with some scattered clouds building in around 16,000 feet as we pass that 18 to 20 local time frame, and then some upper level clouds building in as we go into the overnight and into the early morning hours of tomorrow. We'll see our low temperature bottoming out around 46 degrees, is right on par with our average low this time of year. And then again, as those winds shift more southwesterly, we'll see milder conditions prevailing into the day on Thursday. Tides are running normal Thursday, seeing mostly cloudy and breezy conditions, particularly early in the morning with those breezy conditions. We'll see those settle down as we go into the later afternoon and evening time frame after we see this chance of some scattered afternoon rain showers moving through. So yellow risk for that potential there, and yellow risk for those breezy conditions in the morning as well. Very slight chance, as mentioned, of a thunderstorm with any of that shower activity pushing through. We'll see our high temperature back up to around 70 degrees, and we'll stay mild as we go into Wednesday night with a low expected around 53 degrees, mostly cloudy to start the evening, and then gradually decreasing clouds with the exception of a slight chance of seeing some patchy fog with low clouds before sunrise on Thursday. So do have that yellow risk for those reduced ceilings and visibilities, that possibility there. And then Thursday, another quiet weather day with some nice conditions, with mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions, and that high temperature continuing in the low 70s, around 72 expected for our high, and green conditions for our weather risk. That's going to wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.